Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how to add or remove cities for the default weather app on your iPhone, which is this one right here. So let's go into it. Now you want to get to the screen where there's the list. So you guys see if we scroll left and right here, then there's different cities here. But we want to get to the list of cities. So you're going to press in the bottom right. Okay, so now we're on the list of cities. So if you want to change the order, just hold down on one and drag it, just like that. If you want to remove a city, then swipe right to left and press delete. Now if you want to add a city, then press this plus right here. So I'm just going to do, we'll do New York. Alright, so just press on it. And you guys see it's back. To go back to the city, just press on it. And yeah guys, all there is to it. So hopefully this helped out.